Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rakhi Anand. So today I am going to talk about the headache. What is headache? What are the types of headache? What you can do to cure the headache? So headache, any pain or sensation in any part of the head is called headache. WHO says 1 in each 20 people have this problem of headache. There are different types of headache: tension headaches, migraines, sinus headache, exertional headache, cluster headache, hormonal headache, sinus headaches, temporal headaches, frontal headaches, cervicogenic headache. There are many. So I am going to discuss the few of them which are very common. One of the common is tension headache. When you feel the pain is over this frontal area, this is tension headache. Causes are stress, anxiety, poor diet, irregular habits, no exercises, lot of stress, work stress. We can develop that tension headache. What we can do to cure it? We can do the few breathing exercises, meditation, yoga exercises, relaxation exercises, and we can take a good diet or get up in between your work hours. Don't do continuous sitting or continuous standing. Don't overexert yourself. Fine. Give a regular break or intervals within and take a good diet. Next is when you feel the pain is over the top of your head, mid of your head. This headache is because of dehydration. When you drink less water. To cure this type of headache, start taking more fluid. Increase fluid water intake in your daily routine. Or you can take once or twice a week electrol to manage the electrolyte, to cure the electrolyte imbalance. Increase the water intake, increase the fluid intake. You can take the fresh juices, homemade juices also. Next is headache is over this region. This we call as temporal region, above the ear. This headache could be because of the cold, cough. Sometimes when the ear blocked because of the cold weather, cold winds, you will feel the pain is over here. You can do the steam inhalation, warm water, gargles. You can take or take the few supplements like cough syrups, kada like ginger and honey water, cinnamon water, black pepper water to cure this, and cover your head while going outside, while going in the chilled weather. If the pain persists for more than 5 days, if you feel pain in the ear, also consult a good ENT doctor. Next is if you feel pain at the back of your head. This we call as occipital headache. This is because of your eyes. Check your eyesight first and don't focus more over the blue light. Decrease your screen time. Decrease your blue light exposure to your eyes. You will feel the difference after a few days. Next is headache is over the base of the skull or the upper part of the neck. This is called cervicogenic headache. This is because of the tightness and muscle spasm in the neck region. You can correct your posture. You can work over the neck muscle strengthening. Static exercises like chin tucks, side stretches, left side, right side stretch, upward stretch, few neck rotations, shoulder rotation. By doing this, you can make your cervicogenic headache better. Next is the headache or pain towards your eyes, towards this area or this temples. This is because of sinus. We call it as sinus headache. Some inflammation in your sinuses or sinusitis that cause this sinus headache. Take consultation from a good doctor and take few medications to cure that inflammation, and do the pranayam, yoga, again steam inhalations, warm water gargles. You will feel better. Cluster headache. Cluster headache may stay for the 3 hours to 1 day. It's a very severe pain in the head. It's normally very common type of headache. Next is exertional headache due to overexertion, due to continuous sitting, continuous standing, long hours of continuous working, and severe exertion. Avoid doing exertion beyond your limits. Do whatever in your limits. So many factors for the headaches. Try to rule out what kind of headache you have. Next is half headache. When you feel the headache in the half region, this is migraine. Migraine is a chemical process because of the trigger factors. Migraine occurs by triggering few things. Check what food triggers you, like dark chocolate, like Ajinomoto in Chinese food. Ajinomoto triggers quickly migraines. Check the food like coffee. Coffee triggers the migraine. Whenever you have migraine, check what you have eaten last day or in last 48 hours, which triggers your migraine. Next type of headache is postural headache, stress headache, and sometimes when the pressure in your CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, brain में जब pressure आपका बढ़ जाता है, that leads to the spinal headaches. These are very dangerous. If any kind of these symptoms, please consult your doctor ASAP, as soon as possible, for the spinal headaches. Sometimes poor postures also, sleep apnea headache, lack of sleep, lack of oxygen during sleep, that causes sleep apnea headaches. Some hypertensive headache, due to high blood pressure headache occurs. Control your blood pressure, you will feel better. Sometimes because of these TMJ tightness or locking, you will feel headache. So consult a dentist. Few things to take care to avoid the headache, like release your neck muscles, base of your neck with the finger pulp. Do this kind of massage, clockwise and anti-clockwise. You can do this also over the temples also to cure. Take a good diet, good, healthy, and a balanced diet to avoid the headaches. Do regular exercises. If you can't do anything, please do your walk at least for 20 to